Dear students, good morning to all. Hope you are fine. Today's our offline class is about kidney transplantation and disease of excretory system. Kidney transplantation. Kidney transplantation is the ultimate method in the correction of acute renal failures, that is kidney failure. A functioning kidney is used in transplantation from a donor, preferably a close relative, to minimize its chances of rejection by the immune system of the host. Immune system protects from diseases by attacking anything that is not recognized as a normal part of the body. So, the immune system of the recipient will attack a kidney that appears too foreign. Special drugs can help suppress the immune system of the recipient so it does not reject a transplanted kidney. Modern clinical procedures have increased the success rate of such a complicated technique. Diseases of excretory system. Nephritis. The infection is caused by bacteria which results in the inflammation of the kidney. Glomerulonephritis. Inflammation of glomeruli. Pyelonephritis. Inflammation of the tissue of kidney in the pelvis region. Cystitis or cystitis. Inflammation of the urinary bladder. Renal calculi. Stone or insoluble mass of crystallized salts, oxalate, etc., formed within kidney. Polyuria. Amount of urine passed out is more. Uremia. The concentration of urea is increased in blood. Alkaptonuria. It's a genetic disease in which homogen acid is excreted out with urine. Pyuria. Presence of pus in the urine. Glycosuria. Presence of glucose in urine. Hematuria. Presence of blood in the urine. Knowledge cloud. Aniline is a fructose storage polysaccharide. It is not metabolized in human body and is readily filtered through kidney. It is therefore used in testing kidney functioning, especially glomerular filtration rate. Tubular maxima. The maximum amount of substance that can be retained in blood and beyond which it will be excreted in urine. It is also called renal threshold value. For glucose, it is 180 milligrams per 100 ml of blood. This is all about today's offline class. Thanks.